G'day guys. In this video we're still talking about creating simple plans and diagrams. In the last two videos we've looked at two different types of diagrams. In this one we're going to think about creating a simple plan. Now the plan that I think is quite familiar to all of us is the sort of plan that a teacher comes up with before a lesson. So let's say that class starts at 9:30. We might have circle time. That might go for sort of 10 or 15 minutes. So at 9:45 there might be some silent reading. This isn't true for, every class or whatever, but this is just an example. That might go for 15 minutes or so until 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock there might be an introduction, maybe some sort of warm-up task for the students to get their brains thinking, or maybe an introduction to the class. Now, exactly how long this goes for kind of just depends on the lesson, but I'll say 10 minutes. So at 10:10, students begin individual work. So they might, they might be writing, they might be reading, they might be solving problems. I don't know, something like that. At 10:30, classes tend to have a break. I put that in capitals just to make it kind of stand out because it's a bit different to these other things. Break usually goes for sort of like 15 minutes or so. So at 10:45, students continue with the task. That might go for half an hour or so. During that time, teacher talks to students and helps them. That might go until 11:15. 11:15 there might be a quick pack up, and shortly after, I'll say 11:17, there'll be a reflection and closing circle. I suppose this is the example that I did because I am accustomed to teaching in a morning class, so that might go through until 11:30. So this is a simple plan for 2 hours of time, and I might call it Jono's class. What I would like you to do for this task is think about a normal class that you have, and write a breakdown of the timeline for that class, just as I have. So you can write the time that each activity starts, the approximate time that each activity starts, and then a name of that activity, matching those times all the way through. And yeah, that will be a simple plan for a class.